Are you pulling your hair out over Mint Mobile's frustratingly slow data speeds? Let's dive into why your Mint Mobile connection might be crawling and what you can do about it. First up, let's talk about network congestion. Think of cellular networks like highways. During peak hours, everyone's trying to use the same lanes, which means data traffic jams. Mint Mobile, being a mobile virtual network operator or MVNO, uses TMOBILE's network during periods of heavy usage. Mint Mobile users might experience slower speeds compared to mobile customers as they are lower on the priority list. Data throttling could be another reason for that slow data. Mint Mobile offers various data plans, and if you exceed your high-speed data allowance each month, your speeds can be reduced. Usually this happens once you hit your data cap. Check your plan details in the Mint Mobile app to see if you've hit that limit. Your device's compatibility with Mint Mobile is key. Make sure your phone supports all the necessary bands and frequencies used by TMOBILE. Older phones, or those designed for international markets, might not get the best speeds on Mint. Alright, now let's troubleshoot. Try restarting your phone. Often the simplest fixes work wonders. Head into your phone's settings and manually select the network. In some cases, the automatic network setting can cause issues. Run a speed test at different times of day to identify peak hours. If speeds consistently drop during those times, network congestion is likely the culprit. Contact Mint Mobile support if the issue persists. They can sometimes help you narrow down the problem by checking your account, location, and signal strength. To recap, network congestion, data limits, and device incompatibility are likely reasons for your slow data. By checking those elements and applying the troubleshooting tips, you might be able to improve your Mint Mobile experience. Thanks for watching. If these tips helped, remember to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.